Fuengirola yellow and amber warnings for rough seas have been issued. Winds of up to 70 km per hour and 4-meter high waves could hit the Costa del Sol this Friday. The current episode of Calima, a haze caused by Saharan sand suspended in the atmosphere, has been affecting the Costa del Sol since Wednesday and is expected to continue until at least Sunday, as stated by Jesus Riesco, the director of weather agency EMET. Compared to last year's Calima, this one is expected to be less intense and is unlikely to result in rainfall with mud. In addition, EMET has issued warnings for rough seas and high winds, with a yellow warning in place from midnight on Thursday for the Malaga, Costa del Sol, Axarquia, and Guadalhorce Valley areas. From 8 a.m. on Friday, the warning turns amber, with the possibility of waves up to 4 meters high hitting the beaches. The warning goes back down to yellow at 8 p.m. The temperatures are expected to be higher on Friday, except in Ronda, where they will remain at 15 degrees Celsius, with Vélez Malaga having the highest temperatures of 21 degrees Celsius. The province's lowest temperatures are expected in Antequera, with a minimum of 7 degrees Celsius.